Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Ritz-Carlton and Chase Sapphire Reserve, two of Chase's most premium travel credit cards. Whether you're a Marriott loyalist or a points-maximizing globetrotter, this comparison will help you decide which card deserves a spot in your wallet. Let's see what each card has to offer and how they compare in terms of perks, rewards, and travel benefits. Let's find out. First up, the Ritz-Carlton Credit Card. This card is tailored for Marriott Bonvoy enthusiasts, offering exceptional benefits for stays at over 7,000 Marriott properties worldwide. Cardholders earn 6 times points per $1 spent at Marriott Bonvoy hotels, 3 times points on dining, car rentals, and airline purchases, and 2 times points on all other purchases. Additionally, you receive up to $100 in hotel credits at participating Ritz-Carlton and St. Regis hotels for qualifying paid stays of 2 nights or more. Next, the Chase Sapphire Reserve. This card is a favorite among frequent travelers for its flexible rewards and premium perks. Cardholders earn 5 times points on flights purchased through Chase Travel after the first $300 is spent on travel purchases annually, 3 times points on other travel and dining, and 1 times point on all other purchases. The card also offers $300 annual travel credits, Priority Pass Select Lounge access, and up to $120 in statement credits for global entry, TSA pre-checks, or Nexus application fees every 4 years. Now let us talk about the main features of each of the cards. First, Ritz-Carlton Credit Card. Marriott Bonvoy Silver Elite Status. Automatic Silver Elite status with the opportunity to earn higher status through spending. $100 hotel credits. You can receive up to $100 in hotel credits at participating Ritz-Carlton and St. Regis hotels for qualifying paid stays of 2 nights or more. No foreign transaction fees. You can make purchases abroad without incurring additional fees. Travel protection. They offer comprehensive travel insurance benefits, including trip cancellation and interruption insurance and baggage delay insurance. Now on to Chase Sapphire Reserve. 300 annual travel credits. Automatically applied to travel purchases each account anniversary year. Priority Pass Select membership. You have access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide for you and up to 2 guests. Global entry or TSA pre-check or Nexus fee credits. You can earn up to $120 statement credits every 4 years for application fees. Comprehensive travel insurance. This includes trip cancellation or interruption insurance, primary rental car insurance, and lots more. What are the earning rates of these cards? The Ritz-Carlton Credit Card earns you up to 6 times points at Marriott Bonvoy hotels. You also earn up to 3 times points on dining, car rentals, and airline purchases, and as well 2 times points for every $1 spent on all other purchases. How about the Chase Sapphire Reserve? You earn 5 times on flights through Chase Travel after the first $300 is spent on travel purchases annually. You also earn 3 times points on all other travel and dining purchases, and 1 times point on all other purchases. Now let us talk about the pricing of both cards. The annual fee of the Ritz-Carlton credit card is not publicly disclosed, as the card is available by product change only. However, previously it had a $450 annual fee. But keep in mind that the card offers valuable benefits that can offset whatever cost it carries. And the Chase Sapphire Reserve, the annual fee is $550. You also have another additional fee of $75 for each authorized user. But with the $300 annual travel credit and other perks, frequent travelers can easily justify this expense. What are the pros and cons of using these cards? First, the Ritz-Carlton card. High earning rates at Marriott Bonvoy hotels, valuable hotel credits and elite status benefits, comprehensive travel protections. And the pros of using the Chase Sapphire Reserve? Flexible point redemption options, high earning rates on travel and dining, and extensive travel benefits and protections. How about the cons? For Ritz-Carlton, it is limited to Marriott Bonvoy programs for redemptions, and its availability is restricted to product changes. And the cons of using Chase Sapphire Reserve? The annual fee is on the high side. Optimal value also requires booking through Chase Travel. In conclusion though, both cards offer exceptional benefits tailored to different types of travelers. You can choose the Ritz-Carlton Credit Card if you're a loyal Marriott Bonvoy member who frequently stays at their properties and wants to maximize hotel-related perks. And you can opt for the Chase Sapphire Reserve if you prefer flexible point redemption options, you travel frequently across various airlines and hotels, and you value comprehensive travel protections. So it's best to assess your travel habits and preferences to determine which card aligns best with your lifestyle. And that's it on the comparison between the Ritz-Carlton card and the Chase Sapphire Reserve. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Chase Sapphire Preferred Card, Capital One Venture X Rewards, and American Express Platinum. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.